Hello everyone. So I want to quickly talk about how to customize ribbon. Like I said before in our previous class, ribbon is across the bar here, the two bars. This is what we call ribbon. So we want to customize it anywhere around here. Just right click on this. You will see a few options: add to quick access toolbar, customize ribbon, collapse the ribbon. So we are going to choose customize the ribbon. You can create or customize your ribbon by creating your own tabs with whichever commands you want. Commands are always housed within a group, so you can create as many groups as you want in order to keep your tab organized. If you want, you can even add commands to any of the default tabs as long as you create a custom group in the tab.